Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta pomodoro. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta, like spaghetti or bucatini. Grab a 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and a generous bunch of fresh basil. Don't forget some high-quality olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. These fresh components are key to a delicious dish. Now, let's start on the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté it for about 1 minute until it's fragrant, but not browned. Carefully add the 28 ounces of whole peeled tomatoes, crushing them gently with your hands or a spoon. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. While your sauce simmers, bring 4 quarts of generously salted water to a rolling boil in a large pot. Add your 1 pound of pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. This liquid is a secret weapon for achieving a silky sauce. Drain the pasta and immediately transfer it to your simmering tomato sauce. Now for the final touches. Stir in a generous handful of fresh basil leaves, allowing their aroma to infuse the dish. If your sauce seems a bit thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve your desired silky consistency. For more great tips and resources, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Serve your delicious pasta pomodoro immediately, perhaps with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy this simple, yet incredibly flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.